Save it. Leave it alone. All right, y'all, we on our way to the airport.
Your bags will be coming out. You walk to New Jersey. Your bags will be out shortly in console number 4 after or after. Thanks for choosing Spirit Airlines and welcome to Fort Lauderdale.
So if you guys wanted to see what the airport experience is like right now, it's pretty packed. Everybody trying to catch a flight. Luckily, this is the first time that I'm actually early to my flight, so I'm pretty calm. I feel pretty good. Alright, so we're checked in right now. We're actually about to go through TSA. It's a little bit of a line, as y'all can see. Right now I'm filming this on the GoPro Hero 9 Black. This is in 5K. I'm actually gonna have to switch to 4K and 1080 because I know this is gonna chew this memory card up. But let me get through the TSA and I'm gonna check back in with y'all. Alright y'all, so I made it through TSA. It was a breeze. I still do recommend, if you're traveling during this COVID-19 phase, I still recommend getting to the airport early, especially if you're flying international or you're checking luggage. It'll be your best bet to arrive early because there could be any type of delays. There could be a lot of people going through the TSA. There could be issues with your boarding pass. So yes, I do recommend arriving at the prompted time by the airlines, which is an hour. I believe if you're in the United States, international checking bags, 2 hours early. With that said, I'm gonna actually head to my gate and get ready to go. And I'll see you guys in Dominican Republic. Peace. All right, so finally, the man of the hour made it. We got my dog Jay in the building. This is his first time in Santo Domingo, and he's gonna touch all the bases. He's going to Sosua. He's going, you know what I mean? He's going to Santo Domingo. He's going to Boca Chica. You excited? Why don't you give him a little background about you? Where you from?
You know, born in DC.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? You know, island boy. You know, gonna go back to the Caribbean.
Okay.
Homecoming of sorts. Pirates of the Caribbean. We're gonna go down here and get into some trouble trying to get arrested. You know what I'm saying?
And excuse if you can't really understand this. As y'all know, it's mandatory that we have to wear the mask. So, you know, and you left one important detail out. You didn't let them know how the hands is lethal. The hands is registered.
Well, you know, I'm a peaceful man unless I have to be, unless I'm forced not to. You know what I'm saying?
See, so y'all didn't even know. Y'all thought he was just with me, but this is actually my personal security. This is personal security here, so I might act a little crazy.
But we're gonna get into some trouble.
Yeah, we definitely gonna. Good trouble though.
Get into trouble.
Good trouble, you know what I'm saying? He wants to get a drink, so we gonna find some alcohol, and we'll be back with y'all in a minute. So we finally found a bar. We about to get 2 dirty martinis. Our plane board in 5 minutes. We can take this off while we drink, right? Yeah. So finally, maybe my followers could be able to hear me for once clearly. This is to, I'll wait till he gets his stuff together, ladies and gentlemen. Another tip that I'm gonna give you when traveling outside of the country, get Google Maps and download the actual map offline. So that way, if you don't have service, you haven't put service to your cell phone yet, you'll still be able to get around. That's very important. That's a free tip for y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe right now. All right, let's go. We're not doing the whole thing though.
We're not doing what?
We're not going to jump down the whole thing in 2 seconds. We're going to sip a little bit, right?
I guess we're going to be able to pour it on top.
All right, bro. Well, I don't want to go the whole thing, but I just... It tastes very good. Thank you. Also, another
thing.
thing.
We already got our seats, so it's all good, right?
Yeah. Another thing. If you have Google Translate, if you go into any Spanish-speaking country and you do not fully speak Spanish, well, this is how this looks. Let me go back to that. I'm downloading the map offline right now, so I will be able to still travel and use my GPS location. Another thing, get here, Google Translate. From there, you're going to go here and you're going to download offline translation. That's going to be a lifesaver. Let us finish these drinks. I got to conserve some battery, and I'm shooting at 5K, so this memory card is probably going to be real soon. With that said, look at Big J pulling out the big card. He said he paying for everything on this trip. That's why I love this guy. It's another reason why I love this guy. Travel with him. Give him your Instagram, dog.
Oh, Katima Jamal.
Spell that, Katima. Spell that.
Ketemajahmal. Katima Jamal.
Follow him on Instagram and follow me on Instagram, THELIFEOFCB. You already know.
So bad, my nigga. I'm inspired. I had a Bruce Lee. I didn't really like it. And I got
You say that?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, make sure you change the picture. That's not allowed to go on there.
Really? We just put this up here. Matter of fact, I'm gonna bring my bag in the front. Excuse me.
The bag was up there.
Yeah, but I need to get something out of the bag. Hey Jay, say what up.
What's up?
biggest YouTuber out there, like CD. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. Music is on iTunes and Spotify. So I've officially landed. As you can see, we all trying to get out. I'm never going to the back again. I changed my mind. Once they open up the gates, we out of here. I'm a little hungry, but I'm still treating it like I'm on a diet.
Good luck.
No, I'm
Diet
not.
here. Every time I come here, I go back like 10 pounds.
Yeah, I can't. I'm on a diet right now.
Right.
I'm trying to keep the physique for the beach, for Boca Chica,
We'll see.
for Wandolio.
I'm about to pack on 10 pounds like my girl said. Putting it on. Doing it.
No, we're gonna eat some good food. So right now I'm just waiting for my luggage. My shit should have came out first because he got to the airport after I got to the airport. But his shit is before mine, so that means mine must have came around and I missed it because I was over here in the liquor store buying some liquor. But other than that, I'm waiting for my bag so we can go get the rental and so we can get on our way to get some cell phone service and so we can exchange some money and then get it back on the road. All right, so right now we just got our rental car and now we're getting cellular service. So first thing you want to do before you step outside the airport, if possible, come down here to Playa and get yourself some cellular service. Get your little 5-day plan. It costs about $10 US, you know, just so you have some WhatsApp, so you have some GPS and so you can get around. And one thing about the rental service, whatever you paid for the rental, understand that the insurance is separate. You see his face.
But we going to drink it. He going to be feeling a lot better. But yeah, definitely make sure you pay attention to the small details, all right? When you're here in the Dominican Republic. Just finished getting service. As you can see, this is the front of the airport. This is what it's going to look like when you're coming out here. It's going to be a bunch of taxis, a bunch of people waiting to get picked up. We're actually going to Alamo, so we're going to go get our car rental service. And when we get in the whip, we're going to holler back at y'all, man. Jay, can we just give him one smile for the camera, man?
I don't know if I can do it, bro.
Why? Tell him what happened to you.
Nigga food in his red. Niggas robbed me in the fucking airport, dog.
He got hit. Well, that's good he got hit, y'all. I got hit. If I've been here 9 times, that means I got hit 18 times. I told him, this is just preparing him for the shit that he gonna have to endure when he actually get out there in the field.
Fuck that shit.
If this shit hurt your pocket, imagine when you get involved with the chapeadora.
Everybody else getting choked out.
So, you know, when you get to the airport, it's a bunch of extra fees. Make sure you know the language, man. Make sure you have your Google Translate downloaded. Make sure you ready to go and brush up on your Spanish, man. Know how to talk to the people and just, you know, if you're gonna come to a Spanish-speaking country, speak a little Spanish, right? Amen? But we not gonna let that shit that happened back there get us down. We about to pop open that drink, man. We about to act a fool when we get up in here. Hey, if y'all like this video, man, I need y'all to go ahead and drop a comment. I need y'all to like. I need y'all to subscribe. I need you to share this shit with a friend, man. I do this for y'all. And with that said, oh, this what they got us in. Okay, I ain't mad at it. It's not bad. Alright, so after you get your rental car, you're gonna come around this bend right here. And for everybody, this might be confusing, but when you are coming out of the airport, they are gonna give you a ticket. As you can see, you're gonna take this ticket and you're gonna put it here. And that shit should open that up, and we on our way. So I'm on to the next hit the strip, eat some food. What the fuck is that in the back? Why that shit look like that? We gotta push that shit down. I got that shit.
Changed up, switched up, just like them seasons. Real cute, bad little thing for no reason.
I thought we had luggage in the front. Yeah, I can't even see if the nigga behind me. Alright, so we literally just left the bank. That was a mission in itself to go get cash and do an exchange and to get money from the ATM. Now we are actually on the road to go to Sosua. We are currently, let me take a look at my GPS. Turn this shit down, nobody wanna hear that. All right, so we're currently 3 hours and 31 minutes away. I don't know if y'all can see that. We're 3 hours and 31 minutes away. We'll get there around 7:50 p.m. As far as transferring the money and converting the money, it was a little hectic. It was a long line outside, but we got it done in a decent amount of time. Mind you, we got out the airport around 1:30 and currently it's, damn, it's like 4:20 right now. It's 4:20. So from 1:30 to 4:20 is getting the rental car, exchanging the bread. That's all we did? Yeah. And now we're finally on the road. So time flies by. A lot of traffic, a lot of people moving around. There's a lot going on. With that said, man, I'm gonna try to conserve battery. I just went through one battery. The GoPro started acting crazy, stuttering and dying and everything. So I'm gonna get on this road, and when we get closer, if I see something that I think y'all would like, I'll go ahead and I'll pop on the camera and we'll go ahead and get that for y'all. But as you can see, we're just driving. There's not really much to see. All right, man, so we still on the road. Approximately, it is currently 6:09. The sun is going down. Right now, we just entered Santiago. We got probably like another hour and a half. Nah, see. We got about an hour and a half until we reach the Sosua Port of Playa. So I just want to keep you guys in tune because I noticed that it was way sunny prior video to this, and now it's getting dark, and the shit would just look crazy if I just popped out of nowhere with a video. So that's what we doing. We in traffic right now. Oh yeah, we sipping a little something. It's not against the law to drink and drive in Dominican Republic, so that's what we doing. Jay, you got something you want to tell to the people? How has your experience been so far? It started off rocky.
You know, so far so good, man. You know, I'm enjoying myself out here. Looking forward to getting to the beach, checking in, jumping in the pool. Still having a good time.
So there you have it. We just politicking, talking about life. You know, when you got some real homeboys that you could just talk about life and share experiences and build and pass wisdom, that's priceless right there. So, you know, it always makes a trip a lot more fun than just some guys that you can go and party with. That's cool and everything, but if you can incorporate all those in one, you know, it's always better. So right now, we about to get back on the road, man. Like I told y'all, I'm not trying to hold y'all up. This ain't one of them vlogs where I'm going to have you touring with me every 5 seconds, but I'm just going to keep y'all in the loop and let y'all know what we doing. See right there? That is that's a motherfucking cabana. That's a cabana. I was telling him about the cabana. That was a cabana right there. So like I said, yeah, we in Santiago right now. We about an hour and a half away from Sosua. We're going to go check into the Airbnb, and we're going to touch back in there when we get there. You hear me? Peace. Alright y'all, so we finally made it. We are here in Sosua in Los Charamicos 3. It was a long drive, 3 hours, man. Rocky roads, crazy dark, not too many street lights coming from Santo Domingo to Sosua, but all in all, the ride was relatively fast. I mean, 3 hours, it went by pretty fast. Right now, the current time is 8:05. Everything goes into lockdown around 9 o'clock. So right now we're gonna go ahead and put the luggage upstairs. As you can see, my man Jay bringing his luggage upstairs, and we're gonna go ahead and try to hit the strip before everything closes. All right,
meet some
and get some food because we're starving. So we're gonna go ahead and wrap this up, and maybe, you never know, stick with me. Maybe I'll show y'all a little glimpse of the strip and everything. We get all that figured out. All right, but in the meantime, stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Turn that notification bell on, and we out. Peace.